In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make really good and tasty fried rice that you can cook for mini get-togethers, mini parties. If you want to cook for anywhere between 25 to 40 people, this fried rice recipe has you covered. It was my birthday almost 2 weeks ago, and this is the recipe that I used to make food for about 40 people. I paired it with jollof rice, but this recipe just works and it bangs. So let us get into it. These are our ingredients. We're using some fresh garlic, fresh onion. We're using hot dog instead of liver. We're also using some carrots, some runner beans, kidney beans, bell peppers. You can use as much as you want. We're using some sweet corns. The full ingredient list will be in the description box, so please check that out. We are seasoning with some salt, dried thyme, rosemary, black pepper, a little bit of chicken seasoning. Anything you want to know about this recipe, you're going to find it in the description box. First things first, we have to cook our rice. You will notice that I am cooking with hot water and not regular room temperature water. The reason for that is that I want my rice to start cooking immediately it gets into the pot. I don't want the rice to cook with the water, right? Because if you do that, your rice is going to get soggy and it's not really good for your fried rice. While that is cooking, we're going to heat up vegetable oil in our wok. You want to make sure you're using a really big pot or wok for your fried rice so you're able to stir properly. Then we are going to go in with onion and garlic. One trick to get really good and tasty fried rice, or just any food in general, is to use as much fresh ingredients as you can, because fresh ingredients, they have like that very potent taste, they have that very potent flavor, and you want to add that. Then we're going to add our vegetables that are like really strong, really firm. You want to add them first before adding like other vegetables, just because you want them to get a little bit soft, and then you now add the other ones. I'm also going to go in with my rosemary. After cooking that for about 3 to 5 minutes, you also want to retain the crunch in your vegetables. Don't cook it until everything is like rice. Like, you do not want that. Now we are going to season this generously. This is not regular fried rice for your house that you'll be managing spices and seasonings. Please season this generously, and then you're now going to stir this properly. I am using hot dog instead of liver because I personally do not like liver. If you like liver, please just use that. I just don't like that at all. Now you'll notice that I'm just adding my bell peppers. Now that's because they are not as firm as the other vegetables. They're not as strong, so I'm adding them last. I'm also adding my kidney beans. This is just canned one that I rinsed out with clean water, and that's just about it. You'll also notice that my vegetables, they look like they're a lot. I mean, we're cooking for about 20 something people, so it makes sense that you're going to use a lot of vegetable. But just personally, I like like a good ratio or a good balance between like my rice and my vegetables. I'm also going to add some chicken seasoning to this. Please do not add beef seasoning. It's not necessary. See how this rice is 1-1. The trick is this: you want to cook your rice until it's about 70 to 80% done. Then you're going to rinse it out with cold water immediately. You want to stop the cooking process, because fried rice, your rice is supposed to look 1-1. Everything is supposed to be single, not like you're trying to make 2 or anything like that, right? So you want to cook your rice until it's about 80% done. Then you're going to rinse it out with cold water immediately, just to stop the cooking process. The remaining 20% of cooking is going to happen while you are frying the rice. Just this thing we are doing here is also cooking the rice, because again, the rice is going to have to heat up, and then moisture, and then all the stirring and cooking is going to make the rice become soft. But you do not want to have already cooked rice into this whole mixture. If not, everything is just going to be very soggy and look very, very weird. But that's it. Now we're just going to go in with some soy sauce and some oyster sauce. This is for color. You will also notice that I did not add curry powder to this. I don't want that. I'm not looking for green fried rice, you guys. That's like, so yeah, I'm not looking for green fried rice. I'm adding some soy sauce, oyster sauce, and that's about it. Your fried rice is ready to go. Please, if you like this video, click on the like button. Let me know what you think about it, and also leave a comment. Everything that you need to do, you guys, please do it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.